Harbor Freight's going to be doing a one item deal this coming 4th of July weekend. It's going to be 15% off of one item for each of the days. It's going to be for everyone. Starting on Friday, they're running until July 5th. But for ITC members, you will have early access on July 2nd, which is Thursday. So you could go all 4 days and get one item each of the days and save 15% off of one item. In this video, I'm going to show you some top things to consider using the 15% off on. All right, first group of items I'm going to recommend going for using the 15% off on, because I do get asked a lot when there's going to be deals on the Hercules ratchets. And these in particular are going to be the 12-volt versions, and they have the extended reach, the regular one, as well as a 1/4-inch one, which is the one I'm holding. So this would be a good opportunity to save 15% off on any of these, because they don't have deals on these normally. If or when they do have a deal on them, it's usually not that much of savings. So definitely be a good opportunity to pick something like that up using the 15% off on it. And basically, I recommend going for any of the power tools if you're in the market for Hercules or Bauer, because they don't have deals on them, with the exception of the tools that they often include for the as a free tool. But none of these impact wrenches are going to be part of a deal like that, because they are more expensive. So for example, they have the 3/4-inch ultra high torque impact wrench that's retail price at $220. Then they have the 1/2-inch version for $190, which they also have that as a kit for $250. So it might be better off to go with a kit to get a battery and charger with that one. And they have other varieties as well. Or you could even go for the Bauer options too for the high torque impact wrenches. Like, so for example, they have the tool only for $130 on the 1/2-inch high torque one. And they have the kit price at $160, which does include a 5 amp hour battery and charger. And typically you want to go for something that you don't normally see deals on it often, and let alone if there are deals, there are not great deals on it. So this is one of those items. It's going to be on the Hercules 12-inch sliding dual bevel miter saw. It is basically the DeWalt clone, and the normal retail price on it is $380. And you would be able to save $57 on that and pick it up for $323. It would be a decent savings on the saw. If you've been waiting for a deal on one, it would be a good time to pick one up. And if you're looking to get into the Bauer platform, the 20-volt system, they do offer the Bauer kit, which is a 6-tool combo kit, which does include the blower, the 6.5-inch circular saw, a light oscillating tool, a drill driver, and impact driver. But just so you are aware, these are going to be the brush tools. And the kit price is $250, but you would be able to pick it up for $212.50, saving that 15% on it. And again, this is something else we don't see a deal on. And the next item you could go for is on the newer to market, the Icon mechanics roller seat with one drawer and tray. It's 350-pound rating, and the seat height is 17 3/16 of an inch high, and it has premium 3.5-inch caster wheels. I did show this seat a few months ago when I picked it up when it first came out, and it's been a great seat so far. It has a nice plush cushion, as well as nice stitching around the seat, as well as the Icon logo is also stitched into the seat. It is a great seat so far. And the one drawer, based on another viewer, he was able to fit the Icon 1/4-inch service set with the foam inserts right in the drawer, so it fit nicely in there. And there's also plenty of other room for other tools in there as well. So this would be a good pickup to save 15% on, because we have not seen a deal on it yet, and the price is $70 for it, which you would be saving just over $10 on it. So it would be $60 basically, or $59.50. So it might be a good pickup there. Save 15% on this. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these deal videos, and let us know down in the comments below what you plan on going for the 15% off deal. That way you give others ideas of what to go for. Now let's go to the next item. Now the next category of items you could go for, especially if you went to the parking lot sale and picked up 40% off on the Grants products, and if you're in need of a new polisher, it would be a good time to save 15% off on one. So again, it's something we don't normally see many deals on, with the exception of a few months ago. They did have a blanket deal on polishers between Hercules and Bauer, I think it was. So right now, I'm not sure of any future plans on when they're going to do another blanket deal like that. So again, it would be a good time to save 15% off on one of the polishers, especially on the new Hercules 4.5 amp 3-inch random orbit dual action polisher. They also have a 8 amp one. Both are priced at $120, so it'd be a good time to save 15% off on them. Now, the next category of items you should consider going for using the 15% off deal on is on instant savings items. And if your store is like my store, where you can stack the deal on instant savings items, just like I can do on the 30% off deal, like they're doing this upcoming weekend, starting on Friday through Sunday for the $20 and under for ITC members, well, pay attention to the instant savings deals that are above the $20 mark, and then you can save additional 15% off on the instant savings price. So for example, they have this Bauer 3-inch cutoff tool. It's a 6-amp one. It offers a 1-inch cut depth to it. Well, the instant savings price is $28. It's normally priced at $35, but stacking the deal on the instant savings price would bring it down to basically $24. So you would be saving $11 on it. And it'd be an excellent deal and good pickup to be able to stack the savings on the instant savings items. And I'll show some more items to consider on the instant savings throughout this video. And the next instant savings items to consider is on the Bauer 1/2-inch by 18-inch band file belt sander. So the instant savings price is $45 and the normal retail price is $55, which it is currently saving 18% on it. So it'd be a great opportunity to save additional 15% on that. And you would be able to pick it up for $38.25, stacking that deal with the instant savings. And the next item is something I normally recommend using one of these deals on the Hercules 10-inch job site table saw. It offers a 24.5-inch rip capacity, has a 15-amp motor, and the rack and pinion fence, which is what I'm all about. It's basically the DeWalt clone, just like the 12-inch miter saw is. Well, the reason why I would say not to go for it this time around, because it is currently on an instant savings price at $320, which is saving $60 on it, which is actually 16% off. So if you're ITC member, it would be a better pickup going for the ITC deal. But if you're not an ITC member, then I would go ahead and recommend using the 15% off on this if you're in the market for a job site table saw, which saving the 15% on it, you would be able to pick it up for $323 versus the $320. So you'd be saving, ITC members are saving additional $3 on it. And the next instant savings item is on this Bauer 20-volt portable power cleaner. It offers 320 psi and it sprays at a 0.6 gallons per minute. It has a 20-foot inlet hose and a 5-in-1 spray nozzle. The normal retail price on that is $60, but it's on the instant savings right now for $53, which is currently saving 11% on that. So if you were to pick it up and be able to stack the savings on the instant savings, you would be able to pick it up for actually $45, which would be saving a total of $15 basically. So it'd be a decent pickup there, stacking that savings with this power washer. But just be aware that it's going to be very limited on what you can do with it. The thing that's nice about it is that the hose will draw from like a 5-gallon bucket. So if you have a free Harbor Freight bucket, then certainly you could use it. That's what makes it nice and portable, and obviously running on the 20-volt battery as well. So you could go places where you can't take a normal power washer to. Something like this would be good if you have in the car if you go to the beach and help rinse off like beach gear or chairs, that sort of thing. Since you wouldn't have access to power or water, just bring some water with you and the spray gun. I do have the Ryobi version of this, and that's basically what it's limited to, and maybe washing some lanai furniture off and doing some other simple cleaning tasks, but it's definitely not high pressure. It is limited at that 320 psi. And next up is another item you could stack the instant savings on, and it's on this pressure washer foam cannon that's rated up to 3,300 psi. As a 33-ounce soap tank, and it sprays thick clinging foam so you can clean cars and houses with it. So you could use it with both gas or electric power washer. You just put the soap right in the tank and then it dispenses the soap right onto the surface you're cleaning. So the normal retail price is $35 for this, and it is on an instant savings of $30, which is saving the $5, and that's 14% off. But if you stack the 15% off on this foam cannon, you would be able to pick it up for $25.50. So it'd be an excellent deal on the foam cannon, because other brands out there are a lot more expensive than this one. And again, it's rated at 3,300 psi, so it does have some flexibility there as far as the size power washer it can handle. And sticking with the power washer theme, they have this pressure washer stubby spray gun. So it has a quick connect right on the gun itself, so you can put the different spray nozzles right on the gun itself and not have to have a large long wand. This would be especially good for cleaning cars and other items that's going to be up close. And it comes with the fittings of the quick connect fitting as well as the M22 fittings of both the 14 and 15. So it has different options there. So if you have an electric power washer, it would still work with that, especially if it uses the M22 fittings. Unless of course you go for the adapter kit, which I recommend doing for any power washer that does not have the quick connect system. They sell the quick connect system as well, so you could convert it. But this one is on instant savings price at $23, and the normal retail price is $27. So it is currently saving 14% on it. And with the additional 15% off of the instant savings price, you would be able to pick it up for $19.55. So we're making a good deal for this spray gun, and it does come highly recommended by others I've seen online mentioning about it. And even with Power Wash Pros, they say it's a gun that holds up well, and they've used it for a year now with no problems. So that's pretty good testimony coming from ones who use it on a daily basis for their business, that it holds up good, because that's one of the things that goes bad quickly in power wash business is a spray gun. And here's what I was talking about a minute ago. It's a pressure washer quick connect set. It's a 4-piece set, so you convert your M22 electric power washer fittings into the quick connect fittings, which makes it much quicker to set up and tear down after cleaning. So I highly recommend getting a kit like this to outfit your electric power washer with it. And this retails at 15 bucks. So if you happen to go during this weekend, this would be a good item for ITC members to save 30% off on that. That way you're saving some money on this, and then as well as going for other items that I had just mentioned, stacking the 15% off on. So if you recently picked up the US General 6-drawer full bank service cart, or even the 5-drawer mechanics cart on the recent parking lot sales that they had, good deals on them. And if you're looking for the side tray, this would be a good opportunity to save the 15% off on that, because it is priced over the $20 mark. It is actually priced at $25, and this is available in the 9 different colors now, including the new purple. So you could pick this up for $21.25, saving that 15%. So it would be a decent savings there, especially since it's another item that does not normally go on sale. And if you recently picked up a 56-inch or 72-inch US General box during the storage days, or if you just happen to have those boxes already, but you're in need of a power and air tool drawer organizer to go in that one power tool drawer that the 2 boxes offers, you could go with this. It's normally priced at 30 bucks, and you would be able to pick it up for $25.50, saving that 15%. This was one of the items that was not included in the other deal during the storage days of the magnetic accessories. So would be a good opportunity to save that 15% on this. And they do have a picture of it in the 72-inch box here at the store, showing that the different tools are organized there. And it kind of goes in like a clip on the handle, and then it has like a spot where the head of the tool fits in. So it would be a nice way to organize those kinds of tools, and especially being able to save the 15% on it. And the next category of items you could go for would be on a Predator gas engine, with the exception of the ones that are currently on an ITC deal, which those do expire on July 2nd, by the way, because they do have the ITC deal on the 420cc engine for 300 bucks. That's saving $80. So that's well over the 15% off of what you would save on the one item deal. But any of the other engines that are not part of the ITC deals would be a good time to save 15% off on them. And the next category of items to consider using the 15% off on would be on the Bauer modular storage system, because this again is another group of items we don't normally see deals on, especially when they came out with these newer boxes and improvements, especially on the ones with the 2-drawer system. That's a new box out to the market. So it would be a good opportunity to save 15% off on them. And again, you can go one time each day, but I have heard from some people, if you turn around and go back in, it might work. You can get another 15% off. I think it all depends on how friendly your store is. So use that to your discretion. Again, it'd be a good time to save 15% off on the Bauer modular system. And the next category of items you could go for is on an Icon wrench, especially the ones that are over 20 bucks, which majority of them are now priced over $20. So we know that they had the deal on the 35% off of all the pliers a few months back. So we know they're probably not going to do another deal like that anytime soon. So if you are in the market for any of these types of Icon pliers, it would be a good time to go ahead and save the 15% off on them. And the next general category you could go for 15% off on is different socket sets from Quinn or the Icon ones, only because we know that they had the deal a few months back of having the 30% off on the socket sets, or 35% off. I don't remember which one it was, but we know they're not going to be doing a deal like that anytime soon. So, and it might not be again this year. I don't know. But if you're in the market, have a need for one now, then it would be a good time to save 15% on one. And of course, any opportunity to save any kind of money on the new Icon G2 ratchets would be a good time to save 15% off on them. Now, with the exception, if you don't have an immediate need, then maybe wait for a ratchet deal. I would say they're probably about due for one, maybe the next few months. I have no clue though, but as far as when it will be, But if you have immediate need, it would be still a good time to go ahead and save 15% off on one. And the same thing goes for the different torque wrenches. So again, if you have immediate need, maybe go ahead and use the 15% off on one, but they are about due for a blanket deal of torque wrenches. But again, I have no clue if they're going to be doing one or not. And based on last year, I think it was during the summer or late summertime when they did have a deal on all torque wrenches. But like I said, if you have an immediate need now, go ahead and save 15% on it now. And that way you already have it and you're ready to use it. And next up is something I typically recommend for the use of a 15 or 20% off item deal on the different Fortress air compressors, because normally when they have deals on them, it's usually like 20 bucks off, 30 bucks off, maybe 40. It just depends. But even so, you're not saving 15% on it. At best, it might be 10 or 11% off. So it would be a good time to go ahead and use the 15% off on any of the Fortress air compressors. And for example, they do have the 5-gallon one that's normally priced at 350 bucks. So you would be able to save basically $52 and then pick it up for $298. So it would be good savings on a Fortress air compressor. These do usually come highly recommended, especially with their quiet operation compared to other compressors out there. But anytime you're going for a compressor or an engine related item, I do recommend going with the extended service plan. That way you have peace of mind for a couple years. If anything goes wrong, you just take it back to the store and get a new one. So it's definitely worth the upgrade with that service plan. And the next category of items you could technically just go for would be on the Doyle multimeters that they just came out with in the last few months. Even though they just had a deal in the parking lot sale, so it would be in the event that you did miss out on the parking lot sale where you were able to save 30% off on them. So it would be a good opportunity to go ahead and save 15% on one if you're in the market for one, in case you did miss out on the parking lot sale. Now, the next item is something I've recommended in the past during these types of sales, and it is something they don't normally have a deal on. And I'll say, with the exception of the one of the days that they had during the 10 days of deals, they did have 30% off on the Franklin carts. I do recommend the 1,000-pound rated cart because I have one myself, and it has already come in handy more times than I can count. It's excellent to be able to take stuff out of the truck and transfer it right over to the table and lower it down to the ground, and vice versa, to even load stuff up into the truck or even up onto a workbench. It has many different uses since it does go up on a hydraulic table. You can even use it as a work surface, like I did in my video where I modded the 4-drawer tech cart, the US General one, and added the 5th drawer to it. So I used this cart for that assembly and it worked pretty good. So this 1,000-pound one, which is the one on the bottom here, is priced at 360 bucks. So saving the 15%, you would be able to pick it up for $306. So it'd still be a good deal on it, even if you missed out on the 30% off they had on it a few months back. Now, the next item, they don't have a display of it at my store yet because it is a brand new item to the market, to the stores. And it's going to be similar to this Daytona 3-ton jack stand. Well, they just came out with a 6-ton version, and it has circular pads on the base as well as on the top part. So the 6-ton off-road jack stands are actually made by Badland brand, and this is what they look like. So it's considered off-road jack, and they are priced at 170 bucks. So if you save 15% on that, you would be able to pick it up for $144. So it would be a good opportunity to save the 15% off on a new item like this. And you could also go to their site and check out the new items that they have listed on their site. And it'd be all good contenders to save 15% off on them because they normally don't come out with deals right away on new items, and especially on new items that are going to be popular where they do quickly raise prices on stuff. So again, it might be a good time to save 15% off on any of those items they have listed. And another item I recommend going for is on other consumable items like different saw blades that are going to be over the $20 threshold that you can't save the 30% off on, like for this weekend as an example. So again, it'd be a good opportunity to save 15% off on any of these saw blades that are over 20 bucks, and most of them are, especially on the Hercules ones. They're like $32, and the other one's like $62, depending on the type of cutting you're doing, whether it's metal or wood. So definitely a good opportunity to save that 15%. And again, something we don't normally see excellent deals on these types of items. All right, that's going to be it for the items I'm going to recommend for the 15% off deal. Be sure to let us know down in the comments below what you're going to go for on the 4th of July sale, the 15% off of one item each of the days. So again, it's going to be starting on early access for ITC members on July 2nd, running until July 5th, and everyone else is going to be from July 3rd through the 5th. So excellent time to be able to save 15% off on an item. I do wish it was going to be a 20% off item like they did during the Memorial Day sale, especially being the 250th anniversary of America, celebrating our independence. I think they should have gone with a 20% off at a minimum, in my opinion, of course. So if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.